I wanted to perform a Burns piece, The Gallant Weaver, and I wanted to perform it because it's always so twee when you hear people reading it. And I read an article by an academic saying that they thought that Burns hid these radical politics in plain sight, and it was actually possibly in support of the Paisley Weavers. And at that point I was like, I'd like to play with that, how I read it, to see if it could turn the feel of the poem. Where the cat runs round to the sea, by mony a flower and spreading tree, there lives a lad for me. He is a gallant weaver. Oh, I had wooers after 9, they gave me rings and ribbons fine, and oh, I feared my heart would tine, but I gied it to the weaver. My daddy signed my tochter band to get to the lad that had the land, but to my ain heart I'll add my hand, and I gie it to the weaver. So will the birds rejoice in leafy bowers, and will bees delight in open flowers, and will the corn grows green in shimmer showers. I love my gallant weaver. Thank you.